Frekvenca za logistiko Slovenskega logističnega združenja.
Mr. Christophe Baboin, you come from via Post. It's a group of La Poste. Can you tell us something about your project?
So why did we try to make a control tower? We had the idea to control all the operation like a traffic air control. You know what I mean? Or like in the train station. You know, collect all the information and to get visual effect. To take decision and be more efficiency in the future. We wanted also modernize all the activity because the activity it's human skills, it's TMS and telephone. That's all. So we wanted to go to do better and digitalize the activity. We wanted also anticipate all the issues we can get every day in transport. It's very complicated. So we wanted to avoid all the manual searches when we've got some problems. You don't know exactly what type you have. You have to use the phone to do many things. So we wanted to pilot all the issues with modernized tools.
So I suppose this is all in real time.
It's a real time. So we wanted also an ATA solution with tracking to be in capacity to know at any moment where is the truck. Is the truck will arrive on time? Because sometimes it's a very long way. We can go through 1,000 kilometers. To go from the north to the south of France. So we wanted to know at any moment if the truck will be on time at the arrival, because we want to mainstream the activity of production. So if in a platform where you sort the parcels, you know the truck will be late, you can take decision. You won't wait a truck which is very late. In this case, you will take decision to do something else. So it's very important. It was a very important part of the project also.
So when you implemented the project, was there anything that surprised you, that you didn't know before?
It's a technical project, but it's not the most important. It's a change management first. Because you change the way of working of people completely. You can nearly forget the fun, not completely. But, you use tools and you must know how you can use at best the tools you got at your disposal. So it's a really change management. Also for the platforms at the arrival, because to know that the truck will be late is something new, and they just had a production run, and in this case it's not a production. You must take decision different because you know the information before you didn't know at all.
Did you have any opposition among the workers, the management?
No, I think everybody is very interested in this project, but it's a changing managerial changing. Donc you have all the time some people. For them, it will be difficult because their habits. It's not habits. You must change and accept the change. So, no break around between the teams. No, it was really simple. I try to think about a few ideas.
How long did it take you to make all this?
It takes a long time because you must solve the technical problems. And after, you must change habits of people in the way of working. And you must find the way of working, in fact. It's not written. You must try and work at how can we use all this new information to do something better than we did before. So it takes more than 1 year. It's something you must change between 1 and 2 years to go to the end of this type of project, until the platforms, as I said, to change the way of working in the sorting platforms.
So what's the role of the artificial intelligence that's embedded in this product?
Sorry?
The role?
The role?
Yeah, of the artificial intelligence. AI.
The role is mainly in ETA, estimated time arrival, because at any moment the system must calculate if the truck, which is 500 kilometers from arrival point, is in time or not. So it's ETA for me, the EA intelligence.
So the people were not afraid that AI would actually replace them one day.
No, there's a little bit productivity, but it's not so much because you have a lot of work to do with the TMS, though. So it's especially in night because we regulate transport 24 a day and 7 days a week, night and day. So we need a little bit less people in night, but it's not so much. So it's not first a productivity project. There's a little bit productivity, but it's not the best. It's really to pilot all the activity until the arrival in the platform, in sorting platform, to adaptate all the production when the truck is coming or not.
So in a nutshell, to tell it shortly, what did you gain with this control power? Exactly.
More control.
More control.
We've got about 23,000 transport orders per day. So it's enormous. So it was impossible to have a complete view of everything. If anybody call, if anybody give the information, you don't know, something wrong happened. With this system, we know everything. So we control everything. And we can take decision, and we don't lose time to find the information, the right information.
So now you have compiled a lot of data, new data that you didn't have before. What to do with all this data? Do you keep the history?
The principal thing is to think about how I will use all this data. If you use all the data, it's impossible for people to use data. So you must organize the system to get alert, and the right alert. You know what I mean by alert?
No, what?
The right information to understand that something wrong is happened.
Okay.
Just this information. Because a lot of things are okay and go well, very well every day. So just the problem must be seen by the system,
The weakest
and given to the regulator, the controller, flow controller.
the weakest part of the chain.
Yes, it's part of the change also. Yes, exactly.
Okay, so as I heard correctly, maybe over 250 carriers are on this system?
We have about 500 carriers and more than 20,000 transport orders per day.
And that's all.
It's about 5,000 trucks each day.
And they're all from on the territory of France?
It's everywhere in France.
Can you expand that to other European countries?
Maybe we'll do it, but the first thing was to organize all the transport for La Poste Group in France, connect all the sorting industrial platforms between them, and go to the delivery to more than 2,000 delivery sites every day.
So we have a lot of Slovenian companies that
Yes.
actually export and import.
Yeah.
They are also connected to this system? Yours, if they travel over
If I work with them, they will be connected with the system.
Well, we would like to know how to motivate a company that's producing something to actually to connect to such a system.
It's a customer need anyway. It's a customer need today to know what happened and what's going on each day. So it's a necessity now to know and stop to call the driver with a telephone. It's not possible anymore to do that. With such a traffic we manage every day. It's not to control. I didn't say anything to control the carrier.
Let us talk about that.
Yeah, it's not to control the carrier. It's to get the right information to be more efficient in our production. So it's not to control them because maybe they are afraid.
Yeah, that you would know everything.
To be controlled at any time. What I'm doing, I'm late. But it's not for that. It's not the aim to do that. It's really to control our data and know where we've got a problem and to solve the problem and find a solution at the end to produce better because we got a problem before. We couldn't anticipate anything before. With this solution, we can anticipate and find solution.
So is this data public? Or just close to your group, or who sees that?
The solution is for us. Is for not.
And the data you collect from the carriers and everyone. For instance, can I, as a customer, check where is my truck?
I collect nothing for me. Shippeo is a furnisher. He keeps the information of the carrier, and I can't get it. He just push the information at the moment I need it. But I keep nothing.
And the customer can see where his truck or her goods are.
No, because we deliver B2C, a lot of B2C. So it's millions of people at the end. When you deliver in the delivery site, the 2,000 delivery sites, it's millions of people we deliver every day with parcels and mail. So no, it's not for them. But we do the same at the end for the delivery to give information to the customer, to the final customer, but not this one. He's not interested in knowing his parcel yesterday was in this truck in the north of France. It's not really interesting.
But if it's late, then we are interested to know.
If truck is late, what happened, you mean?
Yeah, what happened? Does the customer get that information? That there is a delay?
No, because it's not because I'm late, in the transportation system, that the final customer will be late. In the supply chain, we've got time. We've got 2 days to deliver, and I try to give the parcel the first day. So we still have a second day to deliver anyway.
Okay, so can you estimate the rate of the carriers in France that are connected to your system? Is it 20%, 30%?
I don't know, but a lot are connected now because a lot of customers, a lot of company, textile, industrial companies use also the Shippeo solution or another one. There's 2 solutions on the market, really interesting. More and more are connected because it's a necessity. It's nearly an obligation with a lot of customers, of carriers.
So what were the biggest challenges for you to overcome? The biggest problems?
In the future?
No, in the future, now, up till now, when you were introducing the system, were there any challenges you had to overcome, any problems?
Well, we have some technical problems we didn't already solve at the time, but we will arrive to do it. What is the most complicated is to find the way to work the better way with all the new system. Which screen, at which moment, which information I will push to the flow controller, not too much. If it's too much, can't do anything.
Overload, yeah.
Yes, so it's the most difficult. And it's the change management I spoke about 10 minutes ago. That's the most principle. It's to find the way of working and use all this data, new data, selected data we can get.
So about the future, where do you see the future of this system of transportation, of logistics? Can you estimate for the future? Where do you see?
If this system will
system
develop?
Everywhere in transport in Europe, where is the transport and logistics, where are they going to be in 10 years maybe?
It will be a data information in transport. We are very late in this activity. Data is not really used correctly. So it will be the challenge of the 10 next years for me.
So even more opportunities for this kind of business.
Yes, exactly.
So Mr. Baboin, thank you very much.
Thanks a lot.